Hello everybody, today I have a very special unboxing for you of the iPhone XR. Now this ain't mine, this is for my sister. So she's upgrading from the iPhone 7 to the iPhone X. Now of course one thing that she's going to have to get used to is not having the home button, since this iPhone does not have a home button. Okay, so that's one thing she'll have to get used to. Okay, now the iPhone 7 does not have the headphone jack, so she's been used to no headphone jack for a while now. So, but my first thing is the home button being absent. Okay, so this one here is the 64 gig version. Okay, and this one here is with Optus, of course. It's labelled as iPhone. It's actually, the text is colour matched. This one here is the blue version. Now, of course, my sister's a girl. You'd think that blue's for boys. Yeah, I know. Unfortunately, the Optus store she got this from only had yellow and blue in stock, so she couldn't get the one that she was probably going to get, which was probably going to be silver or gold. But never mind. She's had gold iPhones for a while, but I guess this is going to end her streak of having gold iPhones. Okay, so it's labelled iPhone, and that's typically all there is. So, and also, Apple have changed this. So you have a pull tab here now. You no longer have to cut the box open. So it's actually a lot easier to open. So let's open it up. Here we go. Okay, that just comes right off. So that was a lot quicker than cutting it, right? So let's make sure it's in the camera. Let's lift the lid up. Okay, the first thing we agree with is our instructions. So Apple have put the instructions at the top. Okay, so here's all the instructions on how to get it going, and I think Tess will probably have to read these because it's her first home buttonless iPhone. Okay, so here we have the instructions on how to get it going. They'll show you how to set up the Face ID and everything. Okay, and also get used to having no home button. We also have the SIM removal tool, which is included. You also get your warranty and, of course, your Apple stickers. The Apple stickers are not color matched. Okay, only the coloured Apple stickers are exclusive to the MacBooks and the Macs. Okay, so apparently they're not matched on the iPhones, at least right now. I do believe we'll see something like that in the future. Okay, so that's the instructions. Here we have the phone itself in the box. Now, one thing before I do take it out is that this iPhone, the iPhone XR, is typically the successor to the iPhone 5C. So we finally see a successor to that in the X range. Okay, now it's actually in a cardboard box. The iPhone 5C came in a plastic box, so Apple decided to keep it as cardboard, but it's probably because of this as being a very expensive iPhone. So here we have the tab. We lift it up. There it is. Oh, it's cold. Well, it's summertime. Okay, so we could say this is Tessie's early Christmas present since it is Christmas summer break. Okay, so here's the front. There's the back. It's a very nice blue. Okay, be very good for the boys. Okay, you boys, you like blue. This will be a good colour. It's actually the same colour as the air element button. See? Almost very similar. So it's like a turquoise colour. Okay? They're both the same colour. How cool is that? So we got a light fitting in my collection that's the same colour as a mobile phone. How cool is that? So we have our camera there. We got our quad LED flash. We have our on-off button. As you can see, there is no home button anymore. Apple have been doing away with that for a while. Oops, I accidentally started it up, but what the heck, we'll watch it boot up. First thing I'll do is I'll take this plastic off. Okay, and it actually peels off from the back. Okay, I'll take this off. I'll set him right there. We'll let it warm up. Now the iPhone X is actually quite advanced. It's a bit too advanced for me, but if I get an iPad which has the same features, I'll learn how to use it. But I do know how to use the iPhone X. I do know how to use the swipe feature. So there it is. So on the front we have our FaceTime camera along with our Face ID scanner. It's quite sensitive. I know you can touch it anywhere on the screen and it will turn on. Pretty cool. Okay, so that's the phone. There at the bottom we have our lightning connector, and there, as you can see, there is absolutely no headphone jack. Okay. So in the box we get our 5-watt USB-A charging plug. Okay, so that's what we get in the box. Okay, this is USB-A charging plug. Now, with the iPad Pro 3 gets a USB-C charging plug. The reason being is because that iPad is the first iPad to use USB-C. It does not have Lightning. So, yeah, that's pretty interesting, ain't it? Okay, so we'll pop that back in there. And we get a set of the earpods, okay, with the Lightning connector. And what we won't get here is the adapter that will allow us to use our old headphones. So Apple have stopped including it for some reason. I don't know why, but they have. But never mind, we got a set of headphones. And of course, in the cable box, we get our lightning cable. So that's typically all there is included. Okay. Now, if you want the adapter, you would have to purchase it separately now. So unfortunately, they've stopped including it. I don't know why, but it's just the way it is. So that is the unboxing of the iPhone XR in blue. So I hope you enjoyed seeing it, and that'll be it.